Hi, I am Ravi here. Today I am going to bring you an important auto scanning tip for advanced diagnostics. Especially when you are troubleshooting an intermittent fault or current fault, how about if you could get the system data at the time when module set the specific fault code? That is called freeze frame data. Any module like ECM, TCM, BCM, when they set a fault code regarding any faulty situation, they saved set of data relevant to the faulty system which caused to set that specific fault code. This set of data called freeze frame data. User can retrieve those data through a OBD scanner and observe what was the abnormal data indication for set that fault code. If we can get those data, it will be an advantage to diagnose the fault efficiently. So, let's see how we can retrieve those data and use them. Here I am working on Suzuki WagonR, which is check engine light illuminating. Let's check what are the faults and is it possible to get the freeze frame data for that fault to diagnose. Here I am using Launch X431 Pro scanner and select the health report to get the full system scan. To retrieve freeze frame data, definitely scanner should support for it. Same time, specific vehicle scanning software should support for the retrieving freeze frame data. Let's see how much Suzuki software will help for get the freeze frame data on this vehicle. Anyway, check out our AutoFix playlist in our YouTube channel to watch more auto scanning tip and tricks and more vehicle diagnostic videos. Okay, here I got the full health report. You can see bunch of errors in the several systems. But I will bring my demonstration on PO171 system to lean code in the ECM. Let's go to the engine control module. Okay, I go to read fault code in the ECM again. Here you can see PO171. But do you see freeze frame button is inactive? Looks not supportive. Suzuki software is not supportive on this vehicle for the freeze frame data, but I will show you another way. Just go back and select the OBD2 software, which is generic EOBD. If this specific car support for generic EOBD function, it will be detected by the any protocol in the list. This car was identified by the ISO CAN bus protocol. We just go ahead and try to get the data. Here you can see mode to read freeze frame. Just tap on it. It will bring us the set of data which was in the system when set the fault code. There are 3 pages of data. Just analyze those data to reveal the vital information regarding the current fault code. Here you can see this fault code has been set at the 1195 RPM and fuel system has been in the closed loop mode. Here you can see again vehicle speed was 34 km per hour. But here you can see some more vital data regarding the PO171 fault code. Those are fuel trim data which is directly caused to set this specific fault code. Just look how high values are short term and long term fuel trims at the above RPM and vehicle speed. Such high positive fuel trim values indicate huge lean condition by justifying the system to lean fault code, and it reveals the fuel delivery issue too. Normally when high positive fuel trims are at the high RPM mean mostly fuel delivery issues such as bad fuel pump, clogged injectors, etc. But it might be another issue like mechanical fault. So we have to analyze live data stream for furthermore accurate diagnostics. Even though especially when you are troubleshooting an intermittent fault, this freeze frame data is much helpful. Therefore, always retrieve freeze frame data when possible and get the good start to diagnose the given trouble code. Hope to bring you a complete video of diagnosing and repair on PO171 in this car with a new video, and hope this video will help you to improve your auto scanning diagnostic ability. Thank you for watching.